today I'm going to be talking about the new Jouer Cosmetics skincare line. It has 4 amazing products for radiant, youthful skin, for beautiful lips, which is also very important. I love that they put emphasis on that and not just relying completely on decorative makeup. So let's start with facial skincare. This is their Essential Hydrating Clay Mask. It contains dual action, which is detox and replenish. The silicone brush with the scoop on the other side comes with the mask itself, so it's very easy to apply. You're also getting as a gift a microfiber towel that comes in very handy when you remove your makeup. For this specific purpose, to remove the clay mask itself, it is very easy to wash and you actually do not need any cleanser to remove your makeup with this. Of course, if we're not talking about a long-wearing liquid lipstick, probably for that, of course, you would need something oil-based. So the mask retails for $38. It is great for all skin types, but I find that the most benefit out of it will actually get someone with very, very dry skin, because it is amazing to provide hydration for your skin pretty fast. You will see the results after the very first use. Skin feels silky smooth, very hydrated. I love using it in the morning as I get ready for my day and prep my skin for makeup. Everything goes on very smooth and evenly. I also love to use it as my nighttime skincare routine. As I apply it right before sleep, I feel like I wake up the next day and my skin feels amazing. The Cowling Clay draws out any impurities. It protects your skin from the environmental impact. I think it's going to be an amazing addition to your skincare routine, because not only it improves the way your skin looks and feels, but also it impacts the health of your skin and your health in general. It's incredibly important to free your face and detoxify from all the aggressors that we face every single day. I also really love the fragrance of this mask. It's a very luxurious product. Now let's move on to our lip care. The first product I have here is the Smoothing Sugar Lip Scrub. It smells like a dream, very delicious dessert-like scent. I'm a huge fan of lip scrubs in general. I like how it gently gets rid of any dry skin, revealing that youthful texture, making your lips look much more smooth, more fuller, of course. It is full of oils such as shea butter, jojoba seed oil, sunflower oil, which is rich with vitamin E. I love how it makes my lips look, nourishes them at the same time. And the price point for this product, I feel, is very affordable. It works amazingly. It is very gentle. Of course, I don't use it on a daily basis. I love to apply with the scoop that comes with the clay mask, because I actually scoop out the clay with the silicone brush itself, and it makes it super easy to distribute the product. I love how it sits on my skin. Next, I want to talk about their overnight conditioning and repairing lip mask. This stuff is absolutely incredible. It's a leave-on mask, so you can absolutely use it during the day like I do a lot of the times, but I just love how it nourishes my lips throughout the night, how it makes my lips more supple in the morning, completely smooth, much more fuller and youthful looking. It has hyaluronic acid, which hydrates your lips in the most beautiful way. Your lips feel very comfortable. You'll pretty much forget about the feeling of dry lips or any discomfort. Whatever product you put on top, it just glides on and makes everything look beautiful. This is a full-on skincare for your lips. I think it's an amazing product to have in your skincare collection. It retails for $20, which is, I would say, right in the middle. It's not too expensive. It's not very cheap, but considering the ingredients, I feel like it's an amazing investment. Again, it smells incredible. It has a vanilla scent. I love how it's so easy to use, yet it gives you an amazing result of the nourishment that your lips need. Next, I have their Essential Lip Enhancer, which is a conditioner lip treatment. This is just a gorgeous lip balm that I love to carry around. The applicator, of course, makes it super easy to apply. I love how the lip enhancer, how it makes your lips look much more fuller, and it definitely is Vector to enhance your lips to make them look much plumper. It minimizes the appearance of your fine lines. Again, it has shea butter and vitamin E, which is amazing. I also love using it together with any kind of long wearing lip product, especially liquid lipsticks that are more on the drier side and tend to be very long wearing. But that's the price we pay a lot of the times when a product is very long wearing. It feels very drying on your lips. I love to apply it on top. It looks beautiful, smoothes out any lines, adds that beautiful shine. Lately, I've been really loving more glossy satin finish lipsticks rather than matte finishes. It retails for $16. Finally, I really want to touch upon their design. I'm a huge fan of this gentle, barely there kind of rose gold / pinkish tones. Everything is very sleek, nothing over the top. Feels very luxurious, looks absolutely beautiful on my vanity. I am really enjoying these products. Here's my quick breakdown for you. Of course, I will be linking everything down below for your convenience. Subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will see you in my next one.